Certainly were. I stood right there while you were doing it.
Christopher.
Now we better settle down or I won't be able to record
I'm
this.
walking away so you don't have to argue with me.
Okay, Caroline, you're on video.
He's making all that up.
Caroline, how you doing?
Are you eating a cookie? Did great grandma give you a cookie?
Is it very scrumptious? Well, yeah, that's very scrumptious.
Are you taking a bite or what? Always
Yum, 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 yum.
Is that the cookie crumbs? I guess I spilled it.
Don't blame it on Caroline.
Caroline, look at what you did.
Is that good? Yum, yum, yum. Caroline, do you love cookies?
She's smart. She gets it all soaked first, then she takes her bite.
Genius.
Is that good? Caroline, is that good? Uh-huh.
It's pretty cozy, just getting hugs and eating cookies. Wow.
Bye.